What kind of messages are trees and plants capable of giving us? Hi, my name is Akshaya Kaure. I'm a nature and animal telepathic communicator, which means I can speak to plants, animals, and other species telepathically. And in this video, I wish to share with you my experiences of having communications with trees and plants as and how they are just the same as talking to animals who are our community animals or even our companion animals. So, personally, in my experience of speaking to nature at large, I have seen no difference between any species or trees or plants or landscapes. I personally believe that it is all our perception. I have seen a lot of people finding it difficult to talk to trees and plants simply because in our heads they are different from animals, because we see animals move, they are similar to us, so we feel like it's easier to talk to them as compared to trees who just beautifully stand there in all their glory and observe us evolve and grow. However, when I speak to them, I find absolutely no difference in the way they speak to us, they treat us, and the messages that they have to give us. In my several conversations with trees, I have often learned the beautiful message of grounding from them. They stay in one place, they grow, they see us grow, and they evolve in that time as well while being at one place. And that is one universal message that I personally have received from all the trees and plants that I have spoken to, that steadiness is not necessarily a bad thing, that being in one place is not necessarily a bad thing, because growth can be multidimensional. They grow higher, they even grow deeper, they grow wider. So even though for us we just see them standing in one place, there is a lot of movement happening within them as well as externally for them, and we as humans should really understand this and integrate it in our lives so that we can also grow internally and reach great heights, but at the same time remaining grounded and also grow deep within the ground and also occupy a lot of space while growing inside the ground as well. So this is one message that I have beautifully received from every tree, every plant that I have spoken to, and it has helped me understand that so many times when I feel stuck at a place, I always take inspiration from the trees, and I realize that even though I may physically feel stuck somewhere, I am still growing and I can always focus on growing. And this has helped me extensively during the lockdown, because we have been at home for so long. We have not been able to meet our friends, our family, and in that time, looking at the trees, I could gain a lot of strength, and I could understand that this too is an essential growing phase of my life, and I should look at it positively, be grateful for the fact that even though the world is being affected by this pandemic, I personally only have to stay at home to ensure that I'm safe. And this is a big message that I got from trees around me, and I hope it also brings you a lot of wisdom. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, found it helpful, and until the next one, bye bye.